Welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors. Today I'm making mango dark chocolate bites and peanut chocolate clusters, two easy and irresistible treats. Let's start by taking some Greek yogurt in a blender cup. Now chop up a sweet juicy mango and add it in too. Blend it all together until you get a thick creamy puree. Now I've taken some silicone molds. Fill them up about 2/3 with this mango yogurt mix. For an extra burst of flavor, add few tiny mango pieces on the top. If you don't have silicone molds, no worries. You can absolutely pour the mixture onto a plate in small round shapes. Then just add a few little mango pieces on top. Works just as well. Now pop them into the freezer. Let them sit until they're firm and frozen solid. While that's freezing, let's get the dark chocolate ready. First, chop some dark chocolate into small pieces and transfer to a heat-resistant bowl. Now place a pan with some water on the stove. Once it starts boiling, place the chocolate bowl on top of the pan. This gentle indirect heat will slowly melt the chocolate. Just keep stirring until smooth and glossy. Once the chocolate is fully melted, take it off the heat and set it on a table. Now check on the freezer. Our mango yogurt bites are frozen and ready. Gently take each piece and dip it into the melted dark chocolate, making sure it's thickly coated all around. Trust me, this step is as fun as it's delicious. Just repeat the process for all the pieces. Dip, swirl, and coat each one in that rich dark chocolate. The ones in the molds are nicely frozen too. They'll pop out easily. Just give a gentle push. Now dip each one into the melted chocolate just like before. Once coated, place them back into the same silicone mold. It helps hold the shape. And finally, pour a little more chocolate on top to seal them in completely. Now I've got some extra melted chocolate left over. And we're not letting that go as waste. Grab a handful of peanuts and crush them into smaller pieces. Just remember, don't blend them. We want them chunky and crunchy, not powdered. Now mix those chunky crushed peanuts into the leftover melted chocolate. Give it a good stir so nuts are well coated. Then spread the mixture onto a plate. Thick and rustic is perfect. Now place everything into the freezer and let it all chill for at least 1 hour. It's time to take it out of freezer. Yes, look at that. Everything is beautifully set, rich and ready to enjoy. Let me cut one in half to show you that creamy mango yogurt center. Just perfect. As for the peanut chocolate clusters, just crack them into random pieces. No rules here. The more rustic, the better. Now sit back and enjoy these chocolatey, crunchy bites. Pure joy in every mouthful.